What is happening out there, Tiggs Wigs? Blasi, the one-man posse here. Hey, we're going to be putting up some purple hull peas I got the other day. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take them and we're going to pour them into boiling water. This is called blanching. Really important step before just bagging them and putting them in the freezer so they'll keep better. You want to do that to kind of just set them in a state so they'll store and stay fresh longer. So you want to do that for about 2 minutes after you pull them in that hot water, and then we're going to strain that stuff off, get that hot water off of them as quick as you can, so that way it stops the cook. I just strain mine, and I just rinse cold water over them. Some people put them in an ice bath. I don't think it's that big of a difference as long as you kind of do it pretty quickly. So that's what I've done here. Was able to kind of shut this thing down, rinse off all those peas real good, get them ready to go. So the next stage, after we get done here, now we're ready to put them all back in the pot, take them over there, and then we're going to bag these bad boys up and be able to put them in the freezer. So now we're taking bags. We're just going to scoop them, put them in there. I use little quart-size bags. I do about 3 or 4 cups in each bag. Boom, seal them up. Ready to roll. Bam. So there's all the peas that I did. Now, ready to eat these things. You're going to take them out of the freezer, throw them in there, throw a little Conecuh sausage in there. Maybe you can do a little chicken broth in there with it if you want to. Or Kelly sausage. Both of them sausages are going to be good. Any sausage really will do. Hoover's cornmeal. I love to eat these, hoe cakes. Make these things with this Hoover cornmeal. God, look at that. Just looks so dang good, man. And it was absolutely unbelievable. Pepper sauce, I think it's critical. Light them peas up, get the peas fired up and rolling. This is my bump and run sauce. I make this every year out of the garden with peppers I grow. Oh my gosh, dude! I tell you what, these peas, these fresh purple hull peas, were absolutely fantastic. And man, I got that old hoe cake right there. Oh my God, just absolute divine.